What's up, everyone? Myself Utkarsh from Utkarsh Heals. I'm a soul guide, motivational speaker, and a healer. Today, I'm gonna pick a topic which is common depression and mostly asked in my personal mentorship, coaching, and guidance, and in my programs also. So, I'm gonna tell you about what is depression, how we can conquer it, and how we treat it and how we can really improvise in it. So let's talk about what is depression. Depression is a phenomena where we feel like that this world has ended and we have no vision, we have nothing left in this world, and we are just surviving like a pause button, not moving ahead, not moving back, not moving side by side. The phenomena where we have no vision, somebody is eating like a hell and gaining lot of weight, and somebody is not focusing where he or she is moving, just crossing the road and not looking at the traffic also. So such phases occur in the depression. It doesn't matter if you are successful or if you are not, and at what age group you are. Depression doesn't comes by seeing the phase of your status and by seeing at what age you are. Depression generally strikes to those who are mentally weak and who are not able to accept the reality and cope up with it. See guys, the thing is that it is really difficult to accept the reality and cope up with it and fight back and bounce back. This is the main phenomena which occurs in everyone's life, that we somewhere are not able to accept our failure, work on our principles, work on our things, and improvise on that aspects. So three main reasons which I found are major for the depression. First is breakup, second is loss of some closed ones, and third is failure in your career, in anywhere. So three are the major issues: breakup, loss of someone, and failure in career, anywhere, in any of the phenomena, any of the life's target, anywhere, failure. So BLF, these three things. We will discuss one by one on each topic. First comes the breakup. Breakup phenomena is like when we start dating someone, we have a good love life, we plan so much, and we begin to think a lot ahead of our life, and we like to spend our whole life with that partner or person. But suddenly what happens when the things don't go and work according to our plan, and suddenly it moves and take tangent to the different direction, and we feel very difficult to cope with this. Then we fall into a depression, we begin to cry, we begin to start begging that person, or like, because it is not going according to our plan. So once the things doesn't go according to our plan, we begin to lose our interest, and when the interest is lost, listen this, when the interest is lost, we lose faith, and when we lose faith, our belief system becomes immature, and when our belief system become immature, our manifestation process effects and get destroyed drastically, which should not happen. So at the breakup stage, and it eventually leads to breakup has many reasons. Your companionship is not going good, your conversation skills, and lot many stuffs which we will talk in our upcoming episodes. So breakup is the major reason, and people are not able to deal with it. They have planning like, I'm gonna get married, I'm gonna have this. They set the time limits and they feel like things will go according to us. But in nature and in life and in your universe, the planning has done already, and it is not as per your guidance and as per your wishes. Remember this, like we all have thought that 2020 will be the remarkable year for our success, and Abdul Kalam, Shri Abdul Kalam ji, ex-president of India, late Abdul Kalam ji, has written the 2020 vision, and now we are suffering from this pandemic. So life is uncertain, like Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Life is completely uncertain. So you have to just plan according to the situation. The things are not like we have Sunday today, next Monday we never know that what will be the weather and what will be the condition and physical condition of ours. So first is the breakup. It is a crucial one and it hampers a lot. Many of celebrities has suffered because of this. Many healers I know and many successful people also suffering from this, and you can identify and you can Google it. You will find plenty of people, celebrities and those who are billionaire also suffered from this depression. Second comes the loss of someone. This is to be honest is really panicking when you lost very close ones, very close relatives of life, and whom we see as an idol, or with whom we have spent our whole life, and suddenly they go away from our life, and it really feels definitely sad. But we have to cope up with that situation a lot, because we can't move our life like this only. We have to make ensure that we are doing our good, we are doing best for ourselves, so that the person whom we lost can also feel happy, their souls can also feel happy that yeah, my dear ones are doing good in the planet Earth. Life is uncertain and we have to accept this reality. And the third comes is failure. This is another major aspect. Failure can occur in every moment. A person who tries everywhere harder and loses, and he's not getting success anywhere, doing every stuff. As you can see in film industry also, there are a lot of actors who struggles a lot. Even they reach 30-35 years of age and still they don't get a single role, even if they are talented. And this creates a anxiety, a temperament loss, a lose of temper, and lot of stuff goes around. In such situation, they lose out in the reality world, and they go their own euphoria world, and they begin to live like a king life, and they doesn't accept their reality, that they are lacking in these things. They need to work on these principles, and instead of that thing, they fall into the bad habits, and most probably they fall apart from the life. So this 3 reasons are very crucial, and these are the main reason. Apart from this, if you know any reason, do tell me about it. I'll also try to portray it. So that's all for today's video. It's a long topic. I will try to cut it short and make episodes over this depression series, which is very crucial and many people ask, so it is not possible for me to answer everyone, so I will try to help them by this video series. So if you guys like this video, please share, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss any notification. Thank you. Bye.